Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Monday, July 29th, 2024. Right now it's 10:04. So first a look at the market starting on Sunday evening. So Sunday evening market opened up pretty upbeat and strong, and I would say it's also pretty wide open here. It's like a 8.5 kind of the range of the opening bar, and later it was able to kind of go above this opening zone, and after that it basically continued going higher, and it went all the way to 55.30, and 55.30, that's the pretty much that's about like 28 points on the upside, and it turns out that's kind of like that's sort of like the half of the SP 500 range on Friday, and it turns out that's kind of like the high overnight, and it later kind of came back down and pretty hard. It pretty much gave up all the gains and went down, and then really kind of it went back up again. It did not really say make a new high, but it's pretty much get to the high of the pre-market. The market is already kind of crazy, and it came back down to for the open, and still for the open is still gonna move over to the S&P 500. Still the open is still open up like 17 points, so that's above that 14 points. It later basically kind of chopping around here, but it was not able to kind of go above this opening zone here, and later it drift. When it get to this is like 10:32, so it make a new low of the day, and it also broke this broke below this opening zone, and it came back, did not quite get back to the center, so well, I guess we could say get back to the center here, but was not able to cross, and later basically it kind of went down, and another here it doesn't looks like a sharp, but it actually kind of it went down here pretty hard, and pretty quickly it literally between this like a 10:46 and this is 11:34. How within less than 1 hour it went from 54.73 all the way down 54.44. So like we're talking about 30 points. And what's even more amazing is that after after 11:30, after it make a low here, and this other important level that which I call a base, and which is also 14 points away from this closing of the yesterday. It came back really hard, and as you can see here, it basically almost like it never looked back when it coming back bouncing back from here. So think about it. So from 54.44 all the way back up to this 54.84. So there's like 40 points of the move, and it's pretty kind of a really strange day, and you would think that the here is only kind of a quarter after 12, and there should be still plenty of time for market to move, right? Of course, it could be moving up or down, and however, today's choice is more like a sideways. It spent a lot of time here that after that moving the sideways, and after 130 it dropped one notch, and basically drop below this opening center here, and pretty much kind of like a chopping around, and this is like at the middle of the day, so it chop around is essentially kind of close near this around this center spot. So it's kind of like one that kind of a day is kind of went up a lot, went down a lot, and later kind of closed at the middle. Now the future already open for a couple hours already, and as we can see here is this is like an opening, this is the opening field, and it kind of this sudden drop basically apparently is going down pretty hard. If we look at here, and this is the opening zone, and it's almost like it did not even give it a chance to kind of look back and let people to get in, and basically just kind of slam through this opening zone and go all the way down. Okay, so we know that right now it's down like 18 points, so it got down by one notch and then another notch. So who knows, there would be I mean there's a 17 points, and there's a kind of half of the range of SPX today. So would this be the low overnight, and we'll be coming back for tomorrow, since tomorrow there are like some pretty important kind of earning release coming out, and also Thursday there would be a kind of like a Fed rate decision. So likelihood is going to probably chop around up and down, and basically you have no idea that where you want it to go. And from the, if we think it as more like the pendulum, then yeah, after it coming back down here a lot, like basically it's a half of SPX today. So it could be here, could be the low of the like overnight, and it may come back and come all the way up 20 points probably, and then come back down again and kind of chopping around crazy. We'll see. In terms of economic calendar, so tomorrow will be Tuesday, and in US, the first one is at like 8:55. That's a red book year over year, and then 9 o'clock have the home price, housing price, and 10 o'clock have the Joe's job openings, and consumer confidence, and 10:30 have Fed Services Index, and also what revenue index. 11:30 there's as usual there's treasury bill auctions, and that's all. After market close, I have the API crude oil stock. So in terms of economic calendar for tomorrow, that's all. And it seems like today that at 11:30, this is around 11:30 that it reached the low here, and I feel like very likely it has a lot to do with the bond auctions. My guess is after the bond auctions that people know that have a better idea in terms of the expectation for the Fed rate decisions, and that's causing kind of a huge shift in terms of the sentiment here. I guess if we look at it, it's like here should be the norm, which would be 54.81. That would be kind of like almost like the norm. However, unfortunately, the market did not close the deal, but closed at the middle of the day. So this is somewhat kind of bearish, in many sense. That's all I have to share with you all. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.